Hey, this is Dark Rio from the Dark Rio Productions team, and today just want to talk about something different besides our production stuff like that. Just want to talk about what is you see all over the internet, what is Mac versus Windows Vista Leopard exactly 10.5. Now today I'm not gonna talk about that because obviously Leopard is better than Vista. This is coming from a Windows user actually. Now, today I want to talk about why Windows XP is better than Vista. Now, first of all, the driver support. There's a lot more driver support for Windows XP than for Vista, because Vista still has some little bit problems with third-party applications or programs that you might be running on not too smoothly. Second, it's system requirements. Windows XP doesn't actually consumes too much too much virtual memory of your computer, which on Vista you do. If you're going to be upgrading to Vista, you need actually to move around with hardware of your computer. Third, Windows Vista is really buggy, even for its own apps that it runs on, like the Windows Flip 3D and what is the Windows Sidebar. Now, I don't have any problems with the graphical user interface. Actually, I love the graphical user interface that on Vista we have there. But it's a little bit buggier than on Windows XP. It tends to crash a lot, and what is some programs doesn't run too well. And the Internet Explorer 7 doesn't run too well on Vista, but it runs perfectly great on Windows XP. Now, my default web browser right now is Firefox, and I'm just trying out Safari here on my computer. But I just think that Windows XP is a little more stable operating system than Windows Vista. And Windows Vista still has some little troubles there. Now, many people that argue about Windows Vista, Windows XP, and Macintosh usually are people that only have one operating system. Now, as a technical person and as a user, right now I'm just running Windows XP here, but I have tried Vista for quite a while, like about 2 or 3 months, and it took me some little difficulties connecting to some networks and using some third-party applications. Doesn't support it too well, and some hardware that I found difficult to run on. I'm very familiar with Mac OS. Actually, I have run Mac OS 10 before. I don't have a personal computer for Mac OS 10, but I'll soon have it since I used to run it so well. Now, I've also dealt with Linux, so I'm a person that actually knows what they're saying about the operating system on XP. Now, if any of you have some comments about Windows XP being better than Vista, you can just post them right underneath this video, or you can actually post a video comment as well. All of your answers will be considered, as well as your comments. So I would just like to hear from the community to see if who else thinks Windows XP is better than Vista, and not only from the Windows users, I want to hear as well from Mac users as well. Some of the Mac users have actually dealt with Windows before, so I just want to hear what else your comments about that. Later on I'll make a post video comment about where is Leopard versus let's say Windows XP or Vista. I'll also be doing a little comparison to Linux, so that's on the upcoming video. So please comment this video, rate it if you want, and respond back if you think otherwise about Windows XP being better than Vista. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for listening.